Did you know that in an average garden there are up to 2,000 different species of insects? And just like all animals, insects need safe spaces to shelter, hide from predators and raise their young. In this how-to video, we'll be showing you how you can build your very own bug hotel from scratch using materials you can find outside or in your own home. Research has found that bug hotels made from scratch with natural materials are better than purchasing a bug hotel online. Often, online bought insect hotels are badly designed as more focus is placed on the aesthetics rather than actually offering suitable homes to target insects. It also doesn't need to be complicated or expensive to create your own bug hotel. We were able to build our hotel using just 2 wooden pallets, some bricks, and a variety of plant materials. Firstly, we had to find a suitable location for the bug hotel. We chose this area, which is close to our reed bed as it is slightly enclosed and so protected from the weather, out of the way of the road and any other human disturbance, and further protected by the fence. Next, we needed to cut our wooden pallets to the correct size. Cut down the left side of the central support beam until the pallet is in 2 pieces. One piece will be bigger than the other. Now do the same thing on the second pallet. Take the 2 larger pieces and cut them into 2 pieces, one bigger than the other. This left us with 4 squarish pieces of the wooden pallet, which will be stacked on top of each other. The remaining pieces of the pallets are no longer needed and can be used later if more support is required. Now we can start to assemble the bug hotel. Place one of the larger pallet squares at the bottom and the other at the top. Lay bricks in between each layer at the corners, which will provide support and create the sections of the hotel which will be filled with different plant materials. Finish by adding the second larger square at the top. Adding a roof to the bug hotel is important to protect it from the rain. We used some old slates for our roof. We ensured the roof's edge would overhang the hotel to further protect it from the rain. We then added more bricks on top to keep the slates in place. Later, we hope to add some wildflower turf to the top of the hotel, which will make it more attractive to insects. Now we can start to add the plant materials to the bug hotel. At our composting sites, garden waste is brought in regularly by the council and garden landscapers. We were able to search through the materials to find lots of things to put into our hotel. We used a mix of twigs and branches in the bottom layer, which will be great for species such as centipedes, woodlice and wood-boring beetles. Hay and grass are great for species such as lacewings, and lots of leaves will be great for hibernating and breeding insects. We will be making sure that we will maintain and clean the hotel, as this is very important to prevent things such as mould. We will also be refilling our bug hotel when needed, and completely change the layers every 2 years to avoid the buildup of mould, mites and parasites over time. If you'd like to see more how-to projects from Caledonian Horticulture, then be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we post a new video.